So here's how you can make your iPad more productive. I've been using my iPads for a really long time, and here are some things I really find useful. First of all, no matter what you do with your iPad, it's much more productive to not get interrupted and distracted at all times. So what I recommend people to do usually is to go to the settings and check out the focus mode section. So it is marked by a little moon icon, and essentially I recommend people to set up the do not disturb mode, or the focus work mode would also work as well, as this is a mode which you can turn on manually or even automatically and choose which people or apps can deliver notifications, contact you, and you just want to make sure that you are not interrupted. This is like one of the best things to do in order to be more productive. Now, the next way how I like to increase my productivity in the past was by upgrading the apps I use for my workflow. So I, of course, used the Notes app to capture my thoughts and plan things, but I quickly noticed that the Apple Notes is not as advanced as, for example, the Notion app, which means that I just upgraded my regular Apple Notes to Notion, and I enjoyed significantly more features, more organizations and like options on how you can implement the text into the note and all of the cool things which go with it. Obviously, there's going to be a learning curve, but upgrading such apps is definitely making my iPad much more productive. The next example would be like going from the iMovie video editor to something like CapCut or even Final Cut for the iPad. So yeah, just getting more professional with these professional apps is going to make you much more productive. And then there are the accessories. Of course, these are a bit more expensive and they are not necessary for the use of the iPad. But if I'm being honest, having an iPad with a keyboard, which looks like a laptop, has made my iPad much more productive. And I'm using the Apple Magic Keyboard, of course. I can use the shortcuts which I use on the computer, like Command C and Command N and all of this stuff, which is making the iPad a lot more productive. Same thing for the Apple Pencil, but of course, depends on what exactly you do with your iPad. So these were my quick tips for you. This is just a very short video, of course, so let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.